3 times still cannot put your leg together in the middle, what's happened if you guess?
Someone needs to lose weight.
Someone needs to lose weight, and he said. You think so? You think so? Okay. Fear.
Technique.
Okay. Okay, techniques. I like that one. Techniques. And can you explain that?
You give something, you will get something.
You give something, you get something? Okay. Actually, to work with friends, it doesn't matter if your company will send you to any section or anywhere. If you have a lot of excuse, oh man, I cannot work with this guy, he's too big, like he's too small, like that. Actually, people can work well together, doesn't matter who. As long as you can talk, as long as you can cooperate, you will have a specific point that you can work very well with your co-worker. We call this knowledge common sense. You have to find this point to be able to work well with other people.